G'day, welcome to the Simple Cooking Channel. What I'm going to be making today is a Halloween pumpkin cheesecake. Oh, I hope you enjoy this. Let's go.
Now get a packet of cookies, biscuits, whatever type you want. You could use Nice biscuits, Oreos, graham crackers, whatever. And then get 60 grams of butter and melt it. And then mix all this together till it's well coated. Now get a cake tin, whatever size. For this one I'm using a 6-inch, 7-inch is fine. Grease it. I use a push-up base just because it's easy to get out. And pour the mixture in until you've got about as much as you want. And then flatten it out. I just like to use the base of a glass. Now just pop this in the fridge to let the base set a little bit, and we'll get on to the next part. Now get a mixing bowl, use a stand mixer or a hand mixer for this, it doesn't matter, and put in 500 grams of cream cheese. Then put in 1 cup or 250 mils of thickened cream. Add 1 cup of granulated sugar. Then add 1/4 cup of brown sugar. Then add anywhere from 1 teaspoon to 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. Now just start this on low and then increase the speed to beat this until it's thickened. Now if you want to give it a bit of colour, so it looks slightly orange if you want, just add orange food colouring or add a bit of red and a bit of yellow, equal amounts, that'll give you orange. Now just pour the mixture straight in. So just pop this in the freezer for about 2 to 4 hours until it's set and yummy, yummy, yummy. Now just cut a piece. Oh, that looks so good. Well, I hope you like this. Ooh, yummy. Oh. Oh, yum. This is pumpkinlicious. I'll see you next time for my next meal.